for 15 codes with me. So here today I'm going to be telling you all what event dresser. So basically for whatever event you're going on, it will help you dress up for it. So here's the thing. First you make a screen, okay, and the screen ID should be screen which event. Then we have pick the type of event you are going to. So label where you're going. Then we have to make 5 buttons or how many ever events you have thought of, and and label them. Make sure you label them like button underscore wedding, button underscore get together, button underscore movies, button underscore club, button underscore birthday. And you can set the background of the screen on whatever you want. I set it like this because I wanted it to be little fancy, but depends on what you all want to do. And I added an image because it should be presentable. Then so basically in this app, if you click on button wedding, it is supposed to take you to the screen wedding, and it will tell you, ooh, a wedding, lucky you, and then what a male should wear for a wedding and what a female should wear for a wedding. So basically very simple. And then if you go here again, you click on meeting, it will take you to page meeting. If you click on movies, it will take you to page movies. If you click on club, it will take you to page club, like that. Now we get to the code. Okay, so like how will it work? We've made the design of everything. I'm going to show you all the design. So my favorite one is personally club. So I have written oh club, lucky you. Okay, and then there's a male, what a male should wear and what a female should wear here, right here. So you can see it's pretty cool. And yeah, so you have to label everything, but like label not this is not label required, only this again, this only these things, this. Okay. And you have to make every screen like that. I have set a background for every screen of what I want. You can keep it plain white, a color, whatever you want. I set a background from Google, and then I'm going to show you all also how to set a background. See, so you go to screen when you so basically I'm on images right now. So click here, you see that this will be usually empty and the background will be white. Click on this and then you pick on the image you have saved from Google. Pretty simple. Then you go to code, and it's very so I have actually made this song here. Okay, I have put in a song, but y'all won't be able to hear the song because I'm screen recording, but I am being able to hear it really loudly. It's real loud. So then so I made a song to make it more fancy, and then you can just play sound. You find this right here in UI controls, play sound. See, play sound. And then I put on event but if button birthday, which is this one, if click, it has to set screen to birthday page. So what is the screen birthday? So if I click on this, okay, I'm going to remove my earphones because it's really loud. Click on birthday, and then I go here on this page. So and then when you click on button club, so button club, click set screen. So on event button club, click set screen to screen club. It's very simple. You just need to label it as you get confused. On event button get together, click set screen to get together. Now get together and meeting, I got confused. So basically get together is meeting. Then we have on event button movies, click set screen to button movies. On event button wedding, click set screen to button wedding. And so that's how it basically worked. It was pretty simple. And the application I use is called it's called code.org. okay, y'all can also use it. It's really easy to use. And thank you for watching. I hope you use this.